Hello, everybody. It's Rombo here, and hope you guys had a good Memorial weekend. And just been crazy for me the last couple days, so I thought I'd get out here real quick and try to make a video. Well, let's see. We'll start off with the firm here. Uh, a firm did break the downtrend line here, and then it just kind of lollygagged. Um, and I don't know what's going to happen with this. This is so hard to predict or to get a feel for. It's under the money line here. Usually when it's under that, I will not go long on it. But we are under the average price. We did bounce off the -1, and it looks like we're trying to get up there again. But I wouldn't be surprised if we eventually come back down again on that. CEI, it broke the major downtrend. Now we have the secondary post downtrend, is what I call it. It is a descending wedge, which is usually bullish. But if you see the 90-day SMA here is just nice and flat, which means it's consolidating here. It has been for a while. So I personally would wait for it to at least probably break 0.92 to see that should be the beginning to a good stage 1 to stage 2 reversal. CRXT. This is a new one. I haven't done this one for a long time. On the daily, we have the MTF momentum finally making some headway here. I think the MACD crossed over. Yes, it did cross over back here. So the only thing is we're awfully high on the deviations here. So we're going to wait and see what happens. But we're still over the +1. I just got in at the end. Got a little aggressive here, thinking once it broke this 5-6 area, momentum to break that, we'd be coming up. We're below the money line. We're below all the moving averages. So I got a tight stop loss on it. We'll wait and see what happens here. Let's see, on the 5-day, just slowly coming up and then boom, hits. So we'll wait and see. Yeah, look at after hours right here. Hopefully it stays above the 90-day SMA here. Let's see. My Fubo play. All this gray is, guess what? Consolidation area. So we'll go back and take it look at the weeklies here. And if you notice, we're just now bouncing up and down, bouncing up and down. I told you this was going to be a long play. We're looking at, waiting for it to get above the 365 area with Fubo. GFAI still under the downward trend line here. Looks like we're trying to get close to it again, but we're below the moving average, the 90-day moving average. We're still above the average price, guys. So that's all I have to say about that. Until we break this downtrend line again, I always think that we're going to zero. So GOVX, boy, we I called this out at 75 cents. So we do have a reversal here on the super trend. Sometimes I've gotten burned by these before where it repaints and goes away. So got to be careful about that. That happened with me on KAVL. So just got to be careful with these. Oh, Sorry, I'm a little tired. Let's see here. What else do we have? IDR, I called this out a long time ago, but I called it out at around the 11s. It's a new stock. It came down, so this is still very, very brand new. It does look pretty good here now. But so that's something you might want to keep an eye on. I personally think we should at least get up to this, around 832 on IDR. ILIS, poor ILIS, everyone was excited this big day. And ILIS does what it loves to do, straddle. Comes up, comes down, and then boom, right underneath the major downtrend line. Still, I do believe that is the major one. Yes, it is. So the secondary one is still under also. So ILIS, we don't know where the bottom is with this one now. It's looking like maybe around 9.4. Could get back down to to 0.076. But again, we are getting closer and closer to this downtrend line, so it will make a decision here pretty soon. Let's see next. Well, Mullen's starting to make a big brouhaha again. It did break the major downtrend line here. It's kind of set up now another secondary one. It broke that. So now the thing is, we are up above the first deviation here, first sigma. So we'll wait and see what happens here. Horizontally wise, we got up to $1.66, and there's some resistance right here, and sure enough, it pulled back. Still below the moving averages. The moving averages are still going down. So patience on this, guys. It's easy to just jump in because I had a couple, good days. We're coming down to what I thought was lower than that, but 74 cents. So that was a good run. We'll see what happens with that one. And then my PSWW, again, I've had people around. Is this still doing, what it's supposed to do? And I keep saying that this is a long-term play. It's on Renko. It could take 2 weeks. It could take a month. Now, on my see if I could find her here. My Renkos, I think I had them set up to 50, and here we are again. So over a week and a half, we haven't printed a candle. Okay, you just gotta let it go. Kind of like my my BOTY and my WNBDs. I still have those from December. So booty is really kicking my booty, but WNBD is getting close. Yeah, so here again, 02 comes up, 02 comes up, 02 comes up, 015, it went up over 400%. 02 went up 100%. So again, just waiting to see what happens here. At right now it's at 0.0204. Again, I'm just no man in a dark room looking at 3 monitors upstairs. So this could very well, there is a chance, there's a history of it going down to 0.015, but very, very strong support right here. And then how long does it take for this to go up? I absolutely have no clue. Okay, so, but I'm just writing it out. I got in a little early at 0.021. and we're below that now, and yeah, so no big deal. Uh, but I'm just waiting for it to print that first candle and then see what happens from there. Um, got a new one here, RCAT. It was alerted out today. They had some good news, I guess, and the news I have no idea, so don't ask me. I can't remember what it is. Um, let's see if I could. Let's see if I could bring it up here real quick. Um, well, I thought I could find it, but I can't. I know a really good guy on our Discord here at Moon Market. He put the news out, and this looks like it could go somewhere. So I'm just letting you guys know. Do your homework on it. RCAT. Just go look at the news that came out. And you could do your due diligence. But look at that, a nice double bottom right here from 1.6, and now we hit that 1.6 area again. So this does have some pretty good history. If once it hits 1.6, it likes to run. From down here, bare minimum, it likes to go up to 278. So I would keep a close eye on RCAT. Redbox. I'm just going to bring back that. So it broke the downtrend, and everyone, here we go. We're going to the moon, and then boom, we drop back under. It's straddled. We're just right on the downtrend line here. So I'm just waiting for it to. Now, the thing is about this, it did break the downtrend line. It has a higher high right here, but the problem is we have a higher low. So this is literally, this is all consolidation area. So if we do, set a higher low here and we bounce up above this trend line, I would just, if you want to scalp it, I would scalp it. But this is all scalp right now. This is all scalping area for me on Redbox if you're going to play that. RIBT. Looks really nice. It looks like the moving averages are starting to move to the upside. We're above the money line here, so that's looking promising. But we did hit the 3 sigma here, and then boy oh boy, look at that! It just kissed it, and boom, comes down. So I wouldn't be surprised to see RIBT come back down to earth a little bit. We're in the overbought area here too. So just giving you a heads up on that one. My TCDA is struggling. It looked so promising here at 1245. And here's that nice bowl and nice little handle here. And like I said this is just a cup and handle. That doesn't mean 100% of the time that it's going to go, crashing through the ceiling and taking off. I've seen plenty of cup and handles just fizzle out. Okay, they teased us right here. Look at that, right on that candle right there, and came down. So that's disappointing. But keep it on your radar. Put an alert on here at 1241. If it breaks that, then we might see something with TCDA, or put a downtrend line on it and wait for it to break that one. And boy, what was the other one that I was gonna? Oh yeah, I can't forget about that one. I'll leave that for last. VRAR, I got back in and broke the downtrend line. I was really kind of late on this one, but I got in at 453. It's up to 480 right now. So Um, this usually has big moves. I've had bad luck with it, um, but I was aggressive on those, and I'm aggressive on this one too. But oh, I have to get a phone call here. Just a second. All right, sorry about that, guys. Well, I put you on pause or whatever. So VRAR is looking like it's promising for a nice upturn, um, and I would say maybe last but not least is UONE, Urban One. Urban One has a history of absolutely exploding, um, then coming down really hard. This kind of had a nice slope down and had a nice, but now here's another one here. So this looks really nice. I'm in at 1193, and yes, we're above the average price. Um, did not have any alerts out for it. I wish I would have had a downtrend line right here. That would have been really nice. I probably would have caught it, down in the fives. That would have been really nice. But I think I told you about this before, but it's just setting up a nice cup and handle right here, and it broke, and is holding quite well. Now this is the weeklies, so this week obviously isn't over, and it's a short week. But as long as we stay above the 12-14 mark, I really do feel that we have a good chance for a U1 to be doing something special, whatever that is. I just keep a tight stop loss. I got a trailing stop on here at, I don't know, it's $1 under or something like that. And then I'm just going to let it run. Higher it goes, closer I'll move that trailing stop up, and just have fun with it. So, but U1 is looking pretty good. So, with that said, guys, I hope you guys are doing well this week, and I just hope that you guys have a really good night, and that we will do well tomorrow, and getting ready to enjoy another weekend. So you guys have a good one. Bye.